Hello, today we will guide you through how to export Qualtrics survey to PDF. If you need to save a copy of your survey for sharing, reviewing, or keeping a record, exporting it as a PDF is a simple option inside Qualtrics. In this walkthrough, we'll go from the survey editor to a saved PDF file in just a few clicks. Begin by opening your survey in the Qualtrics survey editor. Make sure you are on the Edit Survey page for the survey you want to export. This is the main workspace where you can view and manage your survey questions, and it's also where the export options are available. Once you're in the editor, move your attention to the top of the page and click on Tools. This menu contains several actions related to managing your survey, so if you don't immediately see the option you need, take a moment to let the drop-down fully appear. From the Tools menu, click on Import Export. This section is where Qualtrics groups together options for bringing content in and sending content out. Since we want to create a document version of the survey, this is the correct place to continue. Next, select Print Survey. Even though the goal is to create a PDF, Qualtrics often uses the print view as the starting point. This opens a version of your survey designed for printing, which also makes it easy to save digitally as a PDF. Depending on your browser or system settings, a print preview window may appear. In that print window, choose the option labeled Save as PDF. This tells your browser or computer that instead of sending the survey to a physical printer, you want to create a PDF file. If you see other printer destinations listed, make sure Save as PDF is selected before moving on. After that, click Save. You may be prompted to choose where the file should be stored on your computer. Pick a location that will be easy to remember, such as your desktop or a project folder, and confirm the save. Once the file is saved, your Qualtrics survey has been exported to PDF successfully. It's a good idea to open the PDF afterward and quickly review it to make sure the formatting looks the way you expect and that all survey content appears correctly. That's it for this guide. You now know how to export a Qualtrics survey to PDF quickly and easily.